GBC713 Intelligent Battery Operated Hydraulic Crimp OLED Display. Display battery power, pressure value, lighting switch, maintenance times, Bluetooth switch and other information. The left side of the screen touch button. You can touch the screen, display information at any time. The motor adopts brushless motor, long life, low maintenance cost, only need dust removal maintenance. Equipped with pressure sensor, real-time monitoring of the crimping process, and display function on the display screen. With memory function, automatically identify the size of the terminal and determine the opening position of the die. With high pressure relief valve, automatic pressure jump, and automatic coil return function. After release pressure, built-in memory card can store 21 sets of crimped data and can upload system functions via data cable and Bluetooth. 3G communication function, real-time and server interconnection, crimping data visualization, background display, crimping curve function, used for crimping copper terminals within 300平方毫米, aluminum cable terminals within 240平方毫米, and connection tube stop. The same specific. Thank you very much for watching. If you need, please feel free to contact me.